pressing the live button is pretty simple. But I'm going to give you 3 reasons why it's necessary for you to build your brand, build your business, and build your confidence. I'm also going to be walking you through my personal system that has helped me build that confidence and business through live video. I've helped hundreds of women get confident on camera and grow their influence even with a small following. If you are ready to get confident on camera, specifically on live video, then make sure to subscribe because I have a whole series coming. And hit that bell so you don't miss those videos. So first of all, let's start off. Why do you need live video in the first place? Is it still relevant this day? The reason why you need it is number 1, trust. Live video is the best way for your audience to trust you. They get to see your personality. How do you speak? And one mistake I made early on is trying to be super professional and polished. Live video can show your audience who you truly are. Ultimately, they're gonna know that you are their friend. That's how they're gonna feel when they log onto your videos, and as if you guys are having a conversation together. People don't buy products. People don't buy coaching. They buy the solution that you're giving them, the one that you provide. So number 1 is trust. Number 2 is expertise. Yes, they can love you, they can fall in love with you, they can love your personality, but they want to know if you know what you're talking about. If you're a trainer, talk to me about what I should do before I work out. Should I stretch? What should I eat? If you're a shop, show me how to style the products. I don't know how to dress. Like, tell me what to match with the jacket. If you're a service like photography, tell me and walk me through your process. Like, how do I sign up? How do I pay? What is it that you provide? How do you edit? These are the things that you're gonna start thinking about when it comes to your live video. I know what you're thinking. I'm not a pro yet. I'm not an expert. There's people better than me. But if you're one step ahead of your followers, of your potential clients, then you are their expert. You can teach them to be at that step ahead, even if they're just behind you, okay? I want you to make sure to embrace that and be okay with that. Number 3 is growth. Yes, your community, but in this case, it's gonna be your personal growth. We're gonna talk about how to get rid of those ums, and if you have never spoke in front of a camera, it's kind of weird to talk to yourself. Tell me in the chat if you are guilty of ums or if things like that. There is no judgment. Now, before we get into the juicy details and my personal system on how to go live, I'm gonna play the very first live video that I ever did, and it literally does every single thing that I'm about to tell you not to do. P.S. the only 2 people that were there were my mother-in-law and my mom. So let me show you. Hi everyone, I'm super excited. Thank you for joining us today. We're just gonna wait a few more minutes so everyone can go ahead and log on. While we wait, I just want to thank everyone for making this extra time to be able to join us. I'm sure that a lot of people are getting off work or they're driving or whatever it is. They're just trying to relax, but I really appreciate you guys being able to. Yikes. So let's totally erase that image out of your head and let's go over the steps of how to go live like a pro. Number 1 is you're gonna plan your live. The way you're gonna do that, depending on the frequently asked questions that you get. So once you have that brainstormed, let's say you are gonna talk about how to go live, and the 3 points are gonna be, well, this is step 1, step 2, step 3. You're gonna get a sticky note. You're gonna put it right here, right under your camera. Not only is this gonna help you not be distracted, but it's going to keep you to where you're speaking to the camera and staying focused, so you're not just looking up and down. I say stick to 3 points because you don't really need 10, 20 points. You can, if you do have 20 points, you could do part 1, part 2, part 3, especially if you've never done a live video before. You're also gonna plan your call to action, which we're gonna talk about later on in this video, but just know that sticky note is gonna have your 3 points and your call to action. So once you plan your live, you are going to schedule it and announce it. P.S. disclaimer, if you just wanna go live really quick because you have a thought, that's not a bad thing. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to schedule it on your phone to where your followers can get that notification and engagement will go up. You're gonna press the plus as if you're gonna go live. Press on the live button. Once you go there, you're gonna press schedule. And when you press schedule, this next screen comes up where you can type up your video title and date
event, time, all of that. So you pick the time that you want, you press done so you can save it. Once you save it, it's automatically scheduled to where your followers can see it on your profile. So you can share it as a post, make a post, or share it later as a post, either or. And as you can see on your profile, it's going to come up normally like a scheduled event. I like to screenshot it and use it as a little reminder for my followers on my stories. Because your live is already scheduled, it's going to know the time and the title for your live. So as soon as you press that live button, you will go live and it will have everything set up for you, so you don't have to do anything. It's super simple. That's the beauty of scheduling your live videos. And it will also notify anyone that said that they wanted to be notified about your live.
Number 3, you're gonna start on time. If you said you're gonna have your live at 6 p.m., you need to have it at 6 p.m. And number 4, you're gonna start right away. So when you get on, you're not gonna wait the way that I did for people to hop on. And you're not gonna wait 5 more minutes or kind of sit awkwardly like, I'm just gonna wait 5 more minutes. That's weird. Like, you don't want to do that. Remember that this can be used as a future resource. So if you're educating on what to bring to your first photography session, then you can use that when one of your potential clients says, hey, what am I supposed to do when I come to my session? Start thinking about how to use your time wisely, because, you know, going live for 5, 10, 15 minutes is very valuable. So you go on live, you say hello. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Senya and I help women. You're gonna introduce yourself. I help women get confident on camera, and start right away. And today we're gonna talk about how to go live. Straight up, you don't have to wait and you don't have to drag it out. Number 5 is don't drag it out. Nobody is trying to watch you unless you're Cardi B and you just wanna watch her live. But for the most part, we have a short attention span. So 5 to 10 minutes. If you want to just start educating and getting used to the fact that you're going live, you don't have to have a huge long live for it to be powerful. Number 6 is acknowledge but don't get distracted. So there's going to be comments, there's going to be fun people interacting, and say thank you. Like, let's say Maria comes on and she's like, oh my god, yes, that's so true. As I'm talking about my live, I could say something like, when you're going live, you need to make sure to have your 3 points on your sticky. And she says, oh my god, that's so true. Exactly. So looks like Maria already does that. That is so amazing. Let's move on to number 2. You see, so you're interacting her, but you don't want to get distracted to the point where it's completely going to another rabbit hole, okay? You want to build that community, but don't get distracted. Practicing that art of not getting distracted on live video. Practice. 100% is going to come to practice. But let's go into number 7, which is the call to action, and one of the most important things. If they stay till the end, then this is gold. Now you want to send them to do something else, okay? These are gonna be things like link in bio, send me a DM after this and let me know what you think. Post this on your stories and tag me so I can repost you. Go into the link in my bio and download that free download that I told you. Download my free checklist. You're inviting them out of the platform because you wanna start building that list, the list of potential clients so you can nurture them. I challenge you to plan a live tomorrow. Why not? Brainstorm it today and let's do it. Even if you schedule it right now. Tag me at Senyambi Herrera so I can pump you up. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's quickly go over my system of how to go live. Plan your live. Make sure that you plan it, you brainstorm, and put that on the sticky note. Number 2, you schedule it and announce. Number 3 is start on time.
You're also going to start right away. Don't drag it out. Don't make it longer than it needs to. And even though you're going to acknowledge, don't get distracted by the comments. And don't forget the CTA.
My camera doesn't want to record. But I don't want to leave without telling you that I have a worksheet for you if you did not take notes. It's going to take you step by step how to go live so you can be a pro, I would say by the end of this month, depending on where you're watching. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about 6 mistakes that you may or may not be making on live video. So grab your worksheet and go hit the next video. See you.